The car is white. Again, the car is white. Translate that to Arabic. Okay, standard Arabic first. السيارة بيضاء. Again, السيارة بيضاء. In dialect, we would say السيارة بيضاء. السيارة بيضاء. Marhaba, assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I'm going to be quizzing you guys. So, it's going to be a simple quiz, nothing too stressful. 5 sentences in English. I'm going to give you 5 sentences to translate into Arabic. The focus of these 5 sentences will be gender alignment. So, if you're new to this term or if you only speak English, this thing of gender alignment, the concept doesn't exist. But basically, what it is if I have a masculine noun, the adjective needs to be masculine. If I have a feminine noun, the adjective needs to be feminine. So there needs to be alignment, okay? This is what we're going to be focusing on today. This is fairly easy in Arabic, okay? If usually a word ends in an a or a sound, represented by the ta marbuta when it's on its own, this is our indication that it's a feminine noun, like sayyara. I hear the a at the end, oh, feminine. Versus kitab, ends in a b, kitab, masculine. Sayyara, feminine. So the adjective kind of connecting to that noun, like sayyara, needs to be feminine as well. Sayyara is feminine, so if I want to say new car, I don't say sayyara jadid, I say sayyara jadida. Okay, I need to kind of tweak that adjective to make it to change it into to its feminine form and to align with the noun. It sounds very overwhelming when you hear me talk about it. It sounds very technical, but it's actually fairly simple. Again, in Arabic, you're just adding an a or a. We're gonna go through these examples. I'll give you guys a few seconds after each sentence to respond and just to see kind of how you guys did. And then, yeah, I'll give you the answer. And then in my answers, I'll be providing the pronunciation in modern standard Arabic and then dialect. And then dialect will be Levantine Arabic, specifically Palestinian, Jordanian Arabic pronunciation. If you're new to Arabic and you're like, what's MSA, what's dialect, what's this guy talking about? There's a free mini course in the description that goes over the different types of Arabic and their pros and cons. So make sure to check that out before continuing with this video to understand, oh, okay, there's something called standard Arabic or modern standard Arabic. There's something called dialect. Within dialect, we have different types of dialects. But you're going to understand the pros and cons, and it's going to decrease your stress levels when it comes to learning Arabic. It's going to offer you a lot more clarity, okay? Let's get into the video. Yalla. Okay, sentence number 1. I'll provide it in English and then I'll give you a few seconds to respond. The car is white. Again, the car is white. Translate that to Arabic. Okay, standard Arabic first. السيارة بيضاء. Again, السيارة بيضاء. In dialect, we would say السيارة بيضاء. السيارة بيضاء. Same words, slightly different pronunciation. Instead of السيارة بيضاء, السيارة بيضاء. Okay. Next sentence in English. The restaurant is far. The restaurant is far. Okay. Modern standard Arabic pronunciation. المطعم بعيد. المطعم بعيد. Dialect pronunciation. المطعم بعيد. المطعم بعيد. So right now you guys are starting to notice slight differences in the pronunciation between standard Arabic and dialect. One of the major ones is instead of al, a lot of times we use il. So instead of saying al-mat'am, we're saying il-mat'am. They're the same thing. They both mean the, right? But it's just slightly different pronunciation. Okay, next one. The city is beautiful. The city is beautiful. Translate that to Arabic, please. المدينة جميلة. المدينة جميلة. Standard Arabic. Now, dialect Arabic, المدينة جميلة. المدينة جميلة. Or we can also say المدينة حلوة. المدينة حلوة. Okay. Next one. The house is big. The house is big. البيت كبير. البيت كبير. Standard Arabic. Now, dialect, البيت كبير. البيت كبير. So you notice another difference in pronunciation between standard Arabic and dialect. There's less kind of tashkil or vowel, short vowel sounds in dialect Arabic. So instead of saying kabir, I'm just saying kbir, كبير. I'm not putting a ka on or tashkil on the kaf there on the letter K. Saying البيت كبير. In standard Arabic, البيت كبير. And you can also add more tashkil in standard Arabic, but more on that later. Then final one, the rose is red. The rose is red. الوردة حمراء. الوردة حمراء. Dialect will say الوردة حمراء. الوردة حمراء. Now notice the حمراء here is not a ta marbuta, it's حمراء. So with colors, they're slightly different when it comes to the masculine, the rules for masculine and feminine. Not necessarily the rules, but just the spelling of the feminine adjectives for colors don't end in a ta marbuta. It's a alif a and then a glottal stop hamza. As الوردة حمراء, الوردة حمراء, or الوردة حمراء, الوردة حمراء in dialect. Just like how we said with white بيضاء for the car, we said بيضة in dialect. Same thing حمراء standard Arabic, and then حمراء dialect. Okay, that's pretty much it. Super simple quiz, super easy examples. Let me know how you guys did. واحكوا لي إذا في أي أسئلة, and tell me if there are any questions in the comments as well. And any suggestions for other videos. If you like this style of video, what other quiz type videos would you like to see? Let me know your level of Arabic, how long you've been studying. كله in the comments بالتعليقات, everything in the comments. وبشوفكم الفيديو الجاي. See you in the next video.